Hey everyone, today we're exploring the hidden world of food, machines that take ordinary ingredients and transform them into the snacks, meals, and treats we enjoy every day. And trust me, some of these machines are insane. These are the robots, conveyor belts, slicers, and rollers that can turn out tons of food in minutes. The kind of stuff you'd expect to see only in a sci-fi movie. From oranges peeled at lightning speed to candy shaped and wrapped automatically, the machines we're about to uncover push mass production to an entirely new level. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, because after this, you'll never look at food the same way again. 1. From peel to perfection. Peeling an orange might seem easy until a machine does it faster, cleaner, and way better than we ever could. Let's dive into something surprisingly satisfying, like watching oranges get peeled and prepped by machines. You know that frustrating moment when the peel sticks, juice splashes, and your fingers get all sticky? Now imagine peeling countless oranges every single day without one sticky finger in sight. Crazy, right? Well, that's where the orange peeling machine comes in, and trust me, it's nothing short of mesmerizing. At first, the oranges are gently loaded onto a conveyor belt and given a thorough wash and sanitation, because hygiene matters more than ever in food production. The real magic begins when the precision blades slice off the tops and bottoms of each orange. Rollers score the skin, making it come off effortlessly. But the machine doesn't stop there. It also separates the fruit into perfectly uniform segments, leaving no crushed oranges, no leftover pith, and zero mess. It's like a little robot army whose sole mission is to make your orange eating experience completely effortless. Watching it work is oddly hypnotic. You'll find yourself staring at those spinning rollers, utterly captivated by this dance of fruit and machinery. 2. From ocean to freezer, the fish machines that do it all. Now let's move from sweet and citrusy into slippery realm. Fish processing machines are some of the most complex and honestly a little terrifying machines in the food world. If you've ever wondered how fillets make it from the ocean to your freezer almost instantly, the secret is full automation. It all starts with cleaning and gutting. These machines work at speeds no human could ever hope to match, ensuring each fish is prepared perfectly. Conveyor belts line them up with machine-like accuracy, making sure every fish is in exactly the right spot. Some systems can even detect hidden bones, making sure the fillets are entirely clean and ready to eat. After filleting, the fish glides along another belt where it's automatically packaged, frozen, and labeled without a single hand touching it. Some machines even sort seafood by size and weight, keeping things consistent for supermarkets and restaurants. Watching it in action is both oddly satisfying and impressive, like seeing a perfectly timed dance unfold. Knives, belts, and robotic arms move seamlessly together, each motion precise, turning fresh fish into clean, uniform fillets with remarkable efficiency. 3. Candy chaos, machines that make sweet magic. Have you ever stopped to think about how millions of candies end up in stores every single day? The answer might surprise you. It's a mix of sugar, science, and incredible machinery. If you've ever caught a glimpse behind the scenes of a candy factory, you know it's nothing like a simple sugar and flavor mix. It's an industrial blend of precision, speed, and creativity. These machines don't just cook and mix, they mold, cut, coat, and wrap each piece with almost military-level accuracy. Take gummy bears, for example. The candy mixture is poured into thousands of molds on a massive automated belt, baked just right, and then gently shaken out by vibrating plates. From there, they move to machines that coat them in sugar, apply flavors, and wrap them individually, all at speeds that would leave any human overwhelmed. But it doesn't stop there. Some candy machines can produce multi-layered creations in one seamless process. Imagine chocolate shells surrounding caramel centers, sprinkled with nuts, all produced without pause. It's like watching a Willy Wonka factory without the rivers of chocolate, but with more gears and hypnotic, synchronized motion than you could ever imagine. 4. Baked to perfection, the machines behind your bread and pastries. Let's switch gears to baked goods. Bread might seem simple at home, but baking at an industrial scale is a technological wonder. Factory bread machines are giant automated bakers, mixing dough, kneading it, proofing it, shaping it, and baking it without missing a beat. Some machines can churn out hundreds of loaves per hour, each one perfectly uniform, same weight, same texture, same golden brown crust. The precision is astonishing. It's bread making turned into high-speed, flawless science. Pastry machines take things to an entirely new level. Croissants, eclairs, danishes, they're all folded, layered, filled, and glazed by a synchronized array of automated arms and rollers. Imagine a machine folding hundreds of buttery croissant layers simultaneously, faster than any human could manage, and with zero mistakes. Even more impressive, these machines can switch recipes mid-production. One moment it's chocolate croissants, the next it's almond danishes. It's a flurry of flour, butter, and machinery, and yet somehow it all comes together flawlessly. 5. From vine to sauce, the machines behind your pasta. If you've ever tossed pasta with store-bought tomato sauce, you can thank tomato processing machines. These incredible machines handle millions of tomatoes every single day, transforming them into silky sauce faster than any human team could. It all starts with washing and sorting. Ripe tomatoes are separated from the too soft ones, ensuring only the best fruit moves forward. Then, mechanical peelers strip the skins without crushing the fruit, a delicate balance of speed and precision. Next, crushers and pulpers transform the tomatoes into smooth sauce or puree. Some advanced factories even remove seeds automatically, giving a perfectly silky end product with zero extra work. From there, the sauce moves along a high-speed line for pasteurization, canning, or bottling, all in one seamless operation. The sheer speed is staggering. A single processing line can produce what would take dozens of workers days to match. Watching the tomatoes zip along belts, peeled, crushed, and packed is oddly hypnotic, like observing a perfectly choreographed culinary assembly line. The combination of precision, speed, and automation turns humble tomatoes into something magical and ready for your dinner plate in record time. 6. The Crunch Factory, machines behind your potato chips. Potato chips are everywhere, but the machines that make them are on a whole another level. Sure, slicing a potato by hand and frying it perfectly is already tough, but try repeating that thousands of times an hour. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly the kind challenge only machines can handle. The process starts with washing and peeling, often using rotating brushes and high-pressure water jets. Then come massive slicers that cut potatoes into ultra-thin, uniform slices because uneven slices fry inconsistently. The chips are blanched to remove excess starch and then sent through industrial fryers, where oil filtration and temperature control systems ensure every batch comes out crisp and golden. Once cooked, the chips move to seasoning machines. Vibrating conveyor belts tumble them, spreading flavors evenly, whether it's classic salt, tangy barbecue, or creamy sour cream and onion. After that, the chips are automatically weighed and packaged, ready for the shelves, all without a single chip breaking along the way. Watching this process is like seeing an orchestra of precision machinery at work, turning humble potatoes into perfectly crunchy snacks at mind-blowing speeds. 7. Cheese. From dairy to dream factory. Think cheese is just slow, handmade, and rustic? Think again. Behind the scenes, it's one of the most automated foods on the planet. It all starts with pasteurized milk pumped into curdling tanks where enzymes quickly transform liquid into curds. Next, heavy-duty machines. Cut, stir, and press those curds to squeeze out whey and shape them into sturdy blocks or massive wheels. Some systems even take over the aging process, carefully monitoring humidity and temperature to lock in the perfect texture and flavor. Once matured, automated slicers and wrappers portion the cheese into exact sizes, package it, and send it off for shipping. What seems delicate in a kitchen becomes an industrial powerhouse, capable of producing hundreds of wheels at once. 8. the sweet science of ice cream machines. Finally, let's talk about ice cream, everyone's favorite, right? But have you ever thought how an ice cream ends up perfectly creamy and ready to eat by the millions? From tubs to cones, ice cream may look simple, but creating it at scale is pure engineering magic. Scooping one cone is child's play, but turning rivers of creamy mix into perfectly uniform cones, that's where machines steal the show. Factories start with a liquid mix of cream, sugar, and flavorings, which machines pasteurize and bring together to create a perfectly smooth base. From there, the magic happens in continuous freezers. These machines whip, freeze, and aerate the ice cream all at once, giving it that creamy, dreamy texture you love consistently. Batch after batch. Flavorings and mix-ins, chocolate chips, nuts, caramel swirls are added automatically, while conveyor belts pipe the ice cream into tubs, cones, or sticks. Some advanced machines even craft multi-layered, marbled creations with patterns so precise they'd be impossible by hand. Seeing these machines in action is strangely satisfying, like a high-speed dessert performance, turning out ice cream at incredible speeds for millions to enjoy. Simple ingredients are transformed into a creamy, sweet spectacle, a process that shows industrial ice cream isn't just science, it's also a kind of art in motion. And that's it for today's wild ride through the world of food machines. From quick snacks to indulgent desserts, these mechanical giants make it all possible, cranking out food faster than we can eat it. If you had fun watching, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. We've got more crazy machines and factory secrets lined up, and you definitely don't want to miss what's next.